Press Shift plus Insert. Paste copied text or items. Press Shift plus Home. Select all text to the left of the cursor. Press Shift plus Delete. Delete selected items permanently. Bypassing the Recycle Bin. Shift plus Delete key. Use permanently delete files from File Explorer. Shift plus End. Select all text to the right of the cursor. Press Shift plus Tab. Browse clickable items moving backward or move backward the cursor. Tab key used for move forward the cursor in web browser. Shift plus arrow key used for highlight text. Shift plus left arrow, highlight text or select characters to the left of the cursor. Shift plus right arrow, highlight text or select characters to the right of the cursor. Shift plus up arrow, highlight text or select characters above the cursor. Shift plus down arrow, highlight text or select characters below the cursor. Shift plus F1, display help for a selected item in Microsoft Word. Shift plus F3, change the case of selected text in Microsoft Word. Shift plus F5, move the cursor to the last edited location in Microsoft Word. Shift plus F7, open the thesaurus in Microsoft Word. F8, enable text selection mode in Microsoft Word. Shift plus F12, save the current document as a new file in Microsoft Word. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus N, create a new folder in a file explorer. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus T, restore the most recently closed tab in a web browser. Shift plus Ctrl plus Escape, open the Task Manager directly, bypassing the Windows security screen.